This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Lorna and Sarah Murray. Vintage Laurelhurst beauty, walking distance to Laurelhurst Park. Versatile floorplan offers 3 bdrms on the main level, west/2 full baths.Toscana remodeled kitchen, west/Satillo tile, beautiful cabinetry and wine rack, Prof Viking range and Jennair fridge.New paint inside/out.Updated electrical, roof, gutters, eaves, tankless hot water heater.Lower level basement is perfect for possible auto and has area for family room, office/gym and has second bath. Drench yourself in an oasis of fully mature exotic trees and shrubbery. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorna and Sarah Murray at 503-645-0638.